For me, it's to bring the production insights much closer to the development teams. People love creating solutions for our customers and take pride in that. And with the data and insights they get on how this behaves in the real world, I'm sure we'll be much more successful.
New Relic gives us the observability platform that we need to have the visibility of the various integration layers, various platforms that we have got. So that makes it really clear for us to trend and project the growth that we are going to go through, and also highlight any problems or anomalies that is happening in our systems.
But really just exploding sideways the number of apps that we're using and getting that bigger picture, because sometimes it could be one app on a server that's actually causing the problem for the other one. So getting all that data in there will be valuable.